Is the aspect of the dragons actually viable, or is it just nostalgia? Welcome to Borrower Skyblock Guides, and today we are breaking down this classic weapon. First, the base weapon. It is unlocked at combat level 18 and costs around 1.3 million coins. However, on its own, its damage output is roughly equal to a hypercleaver, which only costs 800,000 coins and clears much better. So what happens when you add the Dragon Fuse Glove? This is an equipment piece that costs around 10 million coins. When equipped, it specifically targets the aspect of the dragons, adding a massive amount of base damage and strength to the sword. But here's the problem. This brings your total setup cost to over 11 million coins. Even with this expensive upgrade, the aspect of the dragons still loses in DPS to the giant cleaver, which costs only 5.8 million. Next is utility. The Dragon Rage ability is practically worthless for general gameplay. Its only real use is a tiny niche for tanks in Master Mode Floor 4 to knock back chickens. As for clearing speed, it is terrible compared to any weapon with a cleave ability. The verdict. This setup has one specific use case. Since the giant cleaver requires a Floor 6 completion, the aspect of the dragons is a decent option for outside of dungeons if you have the coins, but lack the dungeon requirements.